What's up, guys? This is a 2005 Acura RL. I will be performing a timing belt replacement, timing belt water pump, and valve adjustment, spark plugs, replace the battery, all on this video. I know I've been bringing you guys mostly race videos, but today I'm going to be bringing you guys a mechanic video, a how-to video, so to say. Just me doing what I do on a day-to-day basis. If you got any questions, comment, like, share, and subscribe to the channel, guys. Okay, I'm gonna start by removing this battery. Once I get this out the way, I'm gonna start removing the hoses out the intake. Oh shoot, I think I forgot to put my fender covers down. I'm putting these things down real quick. And go ahead and remove the rest of these hoses. Then remove the intake. Now I'm gonna start messing with these coil packs and then pull the valve cover gasket, the valve cover off. So this valve cover is deteriorating. It's coming apart. Probably gonna have to buy a new one. Okay, I'm gonna take out this rear valve cover, but I wanna look at the strut brace, but it's all messed up. Ain't no use in me taking that off. So I'm just gonna use my hand tools and go in and pull out this rear valve cover and coil packs. It's a little time consuming, but it's tight. If I could have got the strut brace off, then I could have went and did it the quick way, but it is what it is. I wish I could have used my power tools the whole way through. But I got this valve cover off now, and it looks just as bad as the other one. I'm gonna cover up the intake and stuff so no trash gets down in there and pull these spark plugs out. All 6 of them are oily. They needed this job done badly. So I get all the spark plugs out of here. And then I'm gonna tackle the timing belt cover in about, well, I'm still getting the last spark plug out right now. Now I'm going over to the timing belt cover. Pull the timing belt covers off. Get all this stuff out the way. Engine mounts and all. These covers are tedious. The power steering pump has to come out off too. I'm dropping sockets and stuff. So I gotta get this damn socket out from under the car and get back on the timing cover. As I can jack it up and take the tire off and start taking the bottom part of the timing cover off along with the harmonic balancer. I can't use the tool the way I thought I wanted to use it now. So I just gotta modify it and use it the way I can use it. Oh shoot, the power steering fluid's leaking. Didn't even realize that. Need to clean that up. Thank you, Chris. There's so many freaking bolts in this timing cover. It's a crying shame. But I'm getting them all out. Slowly but surely. Gotta get this tension out for here too. Put everything on the big mat so I don't lose no bolts. Everything is right here together. Timing cover is still coming off slowly. Jack the engine up a little bit so that I can get back to this back bolt a little bit better, a little bit easier. It's a tight fit. I'm a fat dude, so y'all gotta look over me. How long it's taking. Back timing cover's out, bottom timing cover's off, and the front one's out. The top one's out. I'm taking out this mount now, the mount bracket. It takes forever, but it's all good. Put the car in time. What's going on with the belt is off. Timing belt is off. You start loosening at the water pump and the tensioner pulleys. Water pump is off. Timing belt is off. Valve cover's off. Spark plug's out. Battery's out. And we got a little bit more work to go. Okay, guys, I'm back now. About to put this water pump on. Water pump and timing belt. And then I do the valve adjustment to keep it moving from there. Kick comes with everything in it. Timing belt. Water pump, tensioner, pulleys, all of it. All of it. Putting this new water pump on. But the daggum gasket won't hold in place like it's supposed to. But I got a trick for it. She actually has a bolt broken off in her engine. I can't do nothing about that part, but I can get everything else tightened up. Whoever did the last timing belt did a horrible job on it. New belt is going on. And I gotta make sure I keep everything in time at the same time. Yeah. Gotta make sure everything stays in place properly. This job would be a lot easier if I had a lift. But it is what it is. I'm right here in the driveway. And drop the boat. I had to get that up too. Get this tensioner on. Make sure everything's getting tight. Put the belt on. Make sure everything looks good to me. I noticed that the rear cam had rolled. So it's when I got my wrench out and straightened it out and redid the belt again. It's a good thing I didn't pull the grenade pin out too soon. But now it's back in time and I'm putting the belt on. Looks good to me. Put this engine mount bracket back on. This is fun. Tighten this thing up, then we can put the timing covers back on. Okay, guys, I'm gonna end this video right here because I ran out of time. I will pick up this video again tomorrow morning and I will continue on part 2.